It's pretty easy to create a simple A/B test. In fact, there's really only 5 steps. Step 1 is to choose A/B test from the Visual Editor section on the menu. Now pick a URL where you want the test to take place. Step 2 is to start editing the page by first of all giving your project a name, and then by adding a variation. Don't forget to give your variation a name, then we'll make it ultra simple by just changing the wording on the button. Now save the variation. Step 3 is to add a conversion point so you can monitor the success of the experiment. In this instance, we'll add a click conversion. In step 4, you should choose who or when you want the experiment to be seen with our easy to use drag and drop segment builder. And the final step is to set your experiment live. Yep, it's that simple.